So, Katie, just a very quick crash course just to let you know what's going on and what things look like. So I think what's happening at the moment is that you're clicking on year 2 and then going down to literacy here. And when you've got to the literacy page, you're clicking on edit and making changes to this page here. And then what's happening is that when you're on year 3, I hope I've understood this correctly, when you're on year 3 and you click on the literacy link for year 3, which is here, you're making changes here and it's changing on both the pages. Okay, so I think I've worked out what's going on. So all of the pages that you have created here, they sit in resources over here, so this tab over here. So if I just move this along a bit so that you can see it, so what you've got under this section is, don't worry about all of these hidden files. What you have got is you have got these actual pages which show what the content is on each page. So for example, the year 3 page, that's what is on that particular page. And then, for example, if I click on the year 2 page, that should look like just the year 2 page. That's just welcome to the year 2 page. So I can just click on resources here to see my folders, so the things that the pages are made out from. And what it looks to me is that the literacy page here, this one here, which you're clicking edit on, this page is linked from the year 2 and year 3 page. So if I just edit this for just one quick second, and I'm just going to type something into useful links, and I'm just going to call this year 2 useful links for now, just so that we can see that, and I just save that. So I've just saved a page which is just called literacy. So I'm just going to click on resources over here. So let's say that's the year 2 literacy page. And if I scroll all the way down, there's the literacy page. Now this literacy page is not the year 2 or year 3 literacy page, it's just the literacy page. And I actually don't know which one's which. So if I click on this, that's the year 2 literacy page. So I'm just going to use my back button. So let's just rename one of these. Again, I've forgotten which one I clicked on. So let me just right click, edit properties. It doesn't really matter which one I rename. So let's just put year 2 literacy page in front of that and save that one. And then the other literacy page that we've got, which just says, oh, there is a year 2 literacy page. Oh, I see what's going on. So this is your year 2 literacy page, which says year 2 useful links. So that means the other page, the one that I've just renamed, probably isn't your year 2 literacy page at all. That's probably the year 3 literacy page. So let me just edit properties and let's give this a nicer title. So let's just call this year 3 literacy page. So let's save that now. Okay, so now from your year 3 page, what needs to happen is the link to literacy has to be to the year 3 literacy page. So let's just click on edit so that I can get to the link. So I'm just going to click on edit. Hopefully this makes sense. I'm just trying to do this quickly so you don't have to sit through, you know, really tedious videos. So I'll click to edit, and it's this link here. Okay, so this is a link to a file. So if I just click on insert internal link, so I'm just going to change this. Let me just so this is the year 3 page, so this needs to link to year 3 literacy. So our files are in the resources folder. So year 3 literacy page, year 3 literacy, there it is. So I'm just going to click on that and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and find the save button and click save. And then save this. and then let me just click on phase 2 here, whoops, resources, and get the year 2 page up. So here's our year 2 page, and make sure that the link to this is linking to the year 2 literacy page. So that's what's going on. They were just both linking to the same page, and I think that page was just not labeled correctly. So I'm just going to click on here and click on the picture, because it's the picture that's the link. Insert an internal link. So this should be to the year 2 literacy page. So let's go to resources, and there's year 2 literacy. So I'm just going to click on year 2 literacy, scroll down, save this, and then save the whole page. Okay, and let's just make sure that this is working now. So this is where you start. You go to year 2, and if we scroll down to year 2 and click on literacy, this will take me to year 2 useful links. That's just because I edited that. And again, if I'm on the front page and click on year 3, and then year 3 literacy should not say year 2 useful links, because that would be really bad then. And oh yeah, there we go. So it just says useful links. So that's all that was going on really. So under resources, these are where all of your pages are saved. And again, don't worry about any of the hidden files. It's just that these need to be labeled correctly and maybe put into a folder. But I can do that once you've kind of had a look at them. So